Before the wind arrives, preparations are already underway to deal with it, including fixtures that tower high above the city streets in Grand Rapids.
24-hour News 8's Joe LaFurgie is downtown tonight with that story. Joe?
Hi, Brian, Sue. Yeah, Consumers Energy putting extra crews on alert just in case there's widespread power outages, and at places all over West Michigan, including a lot of construction sites. They're tying everything down, well, almost everything down, to make sure it doesn't get blown away by the wind. The exception, these 200-foot tall cranes you see dotting Grand Rapids skyline. Studio Park, the $110 million multi-use development anchored by a 9-screen movie theater, continues to take shape on the south end of downtown. The most noticeable construction equipment on hand, 2 tower cranes. At 200 feet in the air, you may think a 50-mile-an-hour wind would be an issue for something that tall.
Do you tie the cranes down, is the assumption that a lot of people make. The reality is we do just the opposite.
They call it weather vaning. When high winds are predicted, operators essentially unlock the tower cranes,
which allows it to just free spin around on the mast. And the beauty of that is you're lessening the wind load because the jib will point in the direction the wind is blowing.
While construction crews get ready for the wind, so is Consumers Energy. Along with the obvious threat high winds bring to power lines, all of those tree limbs broke or weakened by the ice storm from 2 weeks ago are adding to concerns. Consumers has put additional crews from throughout the state on standby, and the utility is not ruling out another call-up from other states.
Often we have to make that request after the storm so we know the full extent, but we are looking at that as a possibility.
Unlike the ice storm, which put layers of heavy ice on lines causing sporadic outages, the windstorm will likely be a one-day event, and that could give crews a leg up on restoration efforts. The advice from the utility, be ready for anything. Then again, if that anything includes concerns about spinning construction cranes, don't worry.
If you do see them spinning around, don't be alarmed. They're designed to do that, and they're doing their job.
Yeah, it's interesting. In the last hour or so we've been down here, we've watched these cranes slowly tilt really to the north as we stand here. Not a very obvious move, but you do see them moving slightly. And when that wind picks up, you can see them moving obviously a lot more. Now, Consumers Energy also has a lot of advice on dealing with potential power outages. We have a link at woodtv.com. Live in Grand Rapids, Joe LaFurgie, 24-hour News 8.